What up, y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, here with another day and another video. Always thanking y'all first of all for the love and the respect y'all given this channel. Thank y'all. I know I got out of it. I'm trying to get back into algorithm, bringing a lot of different kind of builds, trying to change up the flavor of what we install, because y'all seen a lot of lights and stuff like that. I still do a lot of them, but you know, we want to change it up. Today, we got something a little bit different, y'all. We got, which I love her to death, and yes, I posted it for sale, but I posted it for sale to see what I can get for her. A lot of trade-ins, a lot of different options, but nobody with the cash to buy it. So I think she's gonna stay, and then we got some call out with Demonology and everybody else. We're gonna keep on playing with that, y'all. But anyway, coming into this here, I've always wanted to do a spoiler for the back, and there's a lot of different options, man. The favorite one from everybody out there is the APR. It's very big, it's very wide, very aggressive. I kind of like the lips and the smaller spoilers more than that. My wife went back and forth with me, and for Christmas, she carbon fiber spoiler. So I got to put it all together, needs all the pieces on, but it's a carbon fiber spoiler, and we were just doing some measurements and trying to see what in this video, I'm going to start doing the measuring, the tear down, the building of the carbon fiber spoiler on my Viper. Now, I didn't want it to be the big to the end like a lot of people like. I like it more reserved, more clean, and some of y'all going to like it, some of y'all not going to like it, I understand, but this is my car. So I'm going to do the installation now and go to the process of disassembling the car to get the car measured out, to make the holes and the brackets and get installed, and get a review from y'all when we get done with that, so stay tuned. Start that, I'm going to remove this panel from the Dodge Viper right here and get this so I can see where my bolts are going to go and get it aligned in my installation of my trunk. So right now, to get in there, I'm going to remove this panel so we can start doing measurements and start doing the bracket install for on the Viper. So let's get that removed. Guys, so what we got going on right now, they're going to start mounting on the device to get all the stuff situated so I can go ahead and do the installation here with the marking. So right now, they are actually going to start getting all these brackets and all the clips and everything put in and the fins put on to get this situated and get it working, and see how we start breaking holes in this thing. We've already separated the back of the vehicle, which I'll actually show y'all right now. Let me show y'all right now. Took this back here. We already got the plastics out in here so I can see where I'm going to mark. So one of the bolts are going to come on this side, the other one's going to be on the inside, and that should align my thing pretty well from there. So we're about to find out, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. So at this point in time, we're going a measurement from the edge of my trunk right there to over here so that I can find the center mark and get it marked in the center. So let me get that held over there. Want that, so you? And to over here, we got 54 inches exact. Let me make sure that I'm correct. 54 inches exact. Okay, 54 divided by 2, and that can be my center mark that I use. So 54 divided by 2 is going to be, Josh, quickly? 27? 27, okay. Yeah, 27, okay. Mete ba acá, papi. Corta la camarita. Here. So now I got to come here and grab my 27 mark. So that could be half of the center of the car. So my center of the car is right here. That's my center of my car, 27. And I'm going to come down here and give myself another reference.
I thought we set the
56. So 56 would be 58. So now I have the line that I can use to get my center point to figure out the width of the bracket. So stay tuned. Corta. For gadgets, you see my son has some crazy ass tools. This, you mark the center thing with the line that I put, and he'll measure out the brackets on the side and tell us exactly when the car is centered to the bracket. So we're about to get this aligned up and centered and get this going situated. So right now we're doing the center line to measure the bracket and to get this installed. Does it sit there if you leave it alone? So we just finished doing the measurements, and you can see I couldn't video because I'm actually working on it, but I got the holes already measured where I want my brackets to be to get the install done. So we got that part done right now, and now we get to the fun together and make sure we like it. So stay tuned. Now we have the bracket. Now I'm going to do all the height adjustment, but we do have the bracket installed in the car, and that's where it's at right now. So I'm kind of drilling to my car, and that was kind of a scary feeling. But you want to get these done, that's how modifications go. We do it to people's cars all the time with wide body cutting and so on. So just so y'all see, we do it on mine too. But I'm about to get this closed up on the inside, start doing the adjustment for the top, make the height levels and everything we want to. If we get to play with it in time, we'll get to play with aerodynamics. But right now, it just could be a nice looking piece, and then we'll deal with all the rest later, man. So let's get this adjusted, I'll show you what it looks like at the end. True, so now we have the spoilers on the Viper. Still got to deal with the angles and stuff, but the spoiler is on the Viper. Yes, it's carbon fiber, y'all. Y'all want to ask. Yes, it's real carbon fiber. I'm still not used to it. I'm not gonna lie. I gotta get the angles and stuff set up on it. But and so you know what? I'm gonna drive it, play with it, see how it works out, and I get it done. That's what she's looking like right now, y'all. She got that big ass spoiler back there. Y'all can tell from there. Big ass spoiler sitting out there. So we're gonna see what she looked like. That's the baby girl. She is done. Thank y'all for watching. I always thank y'all for the support, man. Y'all be good and God bless y'all.